Subscribe to Siddharth Kannan's YouTube channel now.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the queen of reality shows, third time in Big Boss. माने अब ये वाकई में ये बिग बॉस होने वाली हैं शमिता शेट्टी। बिग बॉस ने घर छोड़ दिया, आपने टेक ओवर कर लिया है। कितनी सच्चाई है इसमें?
अब यही बचा है। इसके बाद अगर वापस मुझे पूछेंगे करने के लिए तो आई थिंक मैं ही बिग बॉस बन जाऊंगी।
अरे हमारे लिए तो आप ऑलरेडी बिग बॉस हो यार। बट बताओ मुझे, बार बार गोइंग इनटू द बिग बॉसेस हाउस, मुझे लगता है यू लाइक द fearlessness, you like the panges,
I like the challenges.
Yes, you love the challenges. Is that true?
It is true. I think that's why if you notice with all my reality shows, I think I've taken it on because I love challenges. And there's so much you get to discover about yourself, yeah. Through these shows, your strengths, your weaknesses. And I find that exciting. I like these the situations you're put into places like Big Boss. You're never going to face these situations in the outer world, so it's exciting, let me just say that.
Shamita, जब मैंने आपको मोहब्बतें में देखा था, I really thought you're a stunning looking girl, you're an intelligent girl, आप बहुत अच्छा काम भी करती हैं, but obviously Big Boss की वजह से your popularity jump 10 गुना ज्यादा हो गया है। बट कहीं डीप डाउन तुम्हें लगा कि यार इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में बड़े पर्दे पर शमिता शेट्टी का पोटेंशियल टैप नहीं हुआ है? एंड क्या उस वजह से आप हर्ट हुई हैं कभी अंदर से?
ऑफ कोर्स, आई मीन मेरे लिए फिल्म्स इज माय फर्स्ट पैशन. There's so much you're right, I've not tapped into in terms of my own talent. And that is a different high for me, just playing these different characters, being in front of the camera, that brings out a very different me. It's my happy place, let me just put it that way.
What happens to परिवार के सदस्य? क्या मम्मी बोलती हैं या शिल्पा बोलती हैं अब मत जा, वापस हमारे से दूर मत रहो? कितना दूर रहोगी? Has it reached that point where mama's folding hands saying,
no, let me tell you, Siddharth, I'm going in because they have told me to go in. Because they've loved me on the show and they're like, no, you have to do it. I'm like, are you crazy? I've just come out. They're like, no, you have to do it. You can't let this go. So I said, okay, fine. And also I think when I came out, there was so much love that I received from people. So I was really so touched. And I think that was one of the reasons why I said yes for Big Boss. I said yes to continue this journey. It's just 3 more months, yeah, from my life. It's okay.
मुझे लगता है आप जरूर घर में कुछ गड़बड़ी करती होंगी जहाँ पे बड़ी बहन और माँ कहती है उसको भगाओ।
जाओ।
तुम करती क्या हो डार्लिंग? पहले मुझे बताओ, I want to know now.
एक तो Siddharth, I live alone. Okay. So, I don't trouble anyone. Yeah, I live alone. But so for me also being in a house with so many people, I'm not used to it. I'm somebody who needs my peace, my calm and peace, So it's not been easy for me also. I'm somebody who just runs away when I hear too much noise, too many sounds. I like my peace. So this has definitely been a challenge for me. And now let's see what this house brings into my life. एक तो jungle theme है, and there's some survival kit that you have to be on. So I really don't know, but I'm looking forward to it.
बाबा, आप कुछ भी situation survive कर सकती हैं, and I give it to you in writing. You and the Shetty family are very strong from within, and that's why I admire you. Girl power at its best, boss. आपने confess किया था Big Boss में कि आप शायद थोड़ी टायर्ड हो गई थी being under Shilpa Shetty's shadow, your sister. कभी आपने ये डिस्कस किया अपनी बहन के साथ?
She knows, and I think she kind of empathizes as well, because it's not something that she ever wanted. But you see, people unfortunately have this perception about me in any case because of the family I come from, or the industry I work in. And no matter what I do, I will always be called Shilpa Shetty's sister. who is a certain way or expected to be a certain way. That was one of the reasons I decided to do this show, because at a time like this, because I wanted people to really see me for the person I am. I think I got so sick and tired. Also, at that time, with everything that my family was going through, I was also heavily trolled myself. And a lot of people said a lot of things about me. And I was like, you know what? I mean, people really need to understand the person I am. And this was the best platform, best opportunity for me to really show them who I am as a person. And thankfully, a lot of people got it, loved me for it. And I truly feel blessed. I'm happy. And now I'm going back in. So let's hope that they continue to support me.
You know, you went into the house, pehle Bigg Boss OTT mein, at a very emotionally vulnerable phase, if I may say so, with all that was happening around your family. Do you think that probably may not have been the right time to go, because you obviously were going through emotional upheavals, right?
Yes. Well, at that point in time, honestly, Siddharth, firstly, I was already offered this Bigg Boss show, and I didn't want to back out because of everything that was happening, because that would have been the wrong move for me. Secondly, I like I said, I was getting heavily trolled myself. Family was going through a lot, and my family at that point in time said to me, they felt that it was best for me to just be locked up in that house, and just continue with my life, continue with my work, which I think was a good call. Because I think a lot of me healed as well in there. Yes, the first few weeks was very tough for me, the first 2-3 weeks, because I was really worried about my family and, all of that. I think that was one of the reasons I really broke down when I saw Mama when she came in. But I knew that if there was something really bad, Bigg Boss would tell me and I would be out of the house. Because that was the first thing I said to my family. I said, if there's anything, just get me out of the house. Nothing comes before my family. So no news like that came to me. So I knew everything was under control.
Well, I'm sure the forces of the people above are always with you and your family. I hope you realize that. And I want you to know that too, Shamika.